Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head of the screwdriver to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Press the release button to detach the fan, then remove it. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws on the rear plate. Gently open the rear plate without removing it completely. Press down the connector of the air tube and take it out. Disconnect the cables from the plate. Take off the rear plate. Use the crosshead to remove the 6 screws on the front plate. Then take off the plate. Use the hex head to remove the 3 screws inside the left upper cover. Then, remove the 2 screws at the front. Remove the left upper cover. Remove the 2 screws on the front and back of the left plate. Then remove the 3 screws at the bottom. Open the plate and disconnect the cables. Take the plate off. Now it's done. You've finished removing the left plate. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.